Today I'm going to show you how to locate and pull out your cabin filter on your 2020 Honda CRV. It's going to be located behind the glove box. Go ahead and remove what you have in the glove box, because we're going to lower the glove box door. First step is going to be to disconnect the damper that's right here on the side. All we have to do is push down on it and it'll unlatch. Now what we need to do is we need to lower the door, okay? So there's these stoppers you have on the side here that prevent the door from opening too far. You just need to pull them past. Okay. Now that the door is lowered, you're gonna look right in here, and this is where the filter is kept. We're gonna need to remove this cap that's on here. All we have to do is push these tabs in on the sides and it'll release it. And there's our cabin air filter. I'm just gonna snatch it right out of here. A little tricky to get. What to do is just pull it right out. This one is pretty dirty, so it probably has another oil change to go, so we're not going to replace it today. But if you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box. I'll take you to Amazon, where you can pick up a new one. Nice and easy. When you get your new one, you just slide it in there and put everything back in the reverse order that you took it apart in. This just snaps right back on. Then you can just get the glove box door, close it, and then the damper here on the side, just hook it right back up, snap it, and you're good to go. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, if you could please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.